Next page is actually a lot easier, kind of. New concepts, but easier. If it's an emergency, yeah, you can. Okay. Number 4. Whew. This is easier, but still new. A recycling company pays $5 for every full box of newspaper. They do not give any money for partial boxes. Draw a graph that shows the amount of money, P of X, for the number of boxes X brought to the recycling center. So here is what this equation looks like. Have you ever seen this symbol before in your life? No.
Like a double bracket?
Yeah. Just wondering. Okay, here's what the double bracket means. It means the greatest integer less than or equal to the numbers. So if you have like 1.5 boxes, but you're only paying out for every one box, then it would be 1. And we'll see that in action in a second. Okay, so in this chart, remember for every box is $5. So this would be the number of boxes. And then this would be the money over here. So if you have 0 boxes, and I'm going to have to do this with a pen even though it's not going to show up. If you have 0 boxes, you get $0. And you don't get any money for partial boxes. So from 0 to 1, not including 1, you get $0.
Why do you want an open circle?
Yes, there's an open circle in 1.
Why?
Because it doesn't include 1 for 0. Like you get no money. If it's like 0.99 out of a box, you still get no money. Up until 1. At 1, you get $5. So at 1, you have a closed dot at $5. And then you get $5 up until 2 boxes. So open dot at 2. Then for 2 boxes, you get $10. So close dot at $10. Up until 3, you get $10. And then once you hit 3 boxes, you get 15. This is called a step function because it looks like steps. Next. Okay, so greatest integer function written like this or with these brackets means the greatest integer less than or equal to that number. So for example, if 3.25 was in the brackets, then it would actually be 3. So you go to the integer less than that number. It comes out a little bit tricky when you're dealing with negative numbers because if you're dealing with a number like negative 4.5, the integer less than this would actually be negative 5, not negative 4. So just be aware of that. But for most part, like if you have, let's say 2.5, the integer less than that would be 2. Or if you have, let's say 0.75, the integer less than that would be 0. And so you don't solve it as 0.75, it's just 0. Or this goes down to 2. Okay. Again, we're spending another day on that, so don't stress it too much. But this here, we're going to set up a function table.